Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the hotels.com app on your mobile device. So in this case I'm using an iPhone and it's going to be through the App Store that we download the hotels.com app. But if you're using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. So as I said, I'm on iPhone, I'm going to go into the App Store right here, and then it will usually bring you to the to-do page. But you want to go over to the search page in the bottom right and then start typing in the slightly grayed out box, press hotels.com, press search, and then from there there's usually an advert right at the top. I always skip past this and then go to the hotels.com first organic link. So as you can see, there's a sort of cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. This just means that I've actually downloaded this before, but if it's on the App Store and you've not downloaded this before, it says a button, the button says get, and you just want to press that, and then that's going to start downloading the app. Make sure that you do have a good internet connection before you start downloading, as it is quite a big file size. I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded on this device. And so there we go guys, hotels.com has fully downloaded on this device. And what we can do is basically within the App Store, once the app has downloaded, it gives us the option to press open. The open button will launch the app. Press that. It's going to run the app, hotels.com. We care about your privacy. I accept. Allow hotels.com to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. I always press allow to these things because it will give us tailored advertisements to what we want to find more information about in the future. Sign up for instant savings, save 10% or more on over 100,000 hotels worldwide with members' prices, and you can press the sign in button from there. I'm going to exit out of here and basically not allow the notifications. From there, this is the hotels.com app, and what you can do is you can start typing in your destinations. You can figure out where you want to go to, the dates, how many travelers are in your room. There we go. There's the account section in the bottom right. You can sign in, access the settings, help and feedback. And there we go guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thank you.